Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to another video. I had to turn my ring light on here because it is, 3:54 and it's dark as it is in winter. We just had the shortest day of the year yesterday. So anyway, I am back for a combined November Ipsy and November Sephora Play unbagging in comparison. So just before I talk about these current bags, I'm going to start with last month's products, a little review of those. So I'll start with Ipsy. So last month I didn't like the bag. If you remember, there are two options. The one I got I didn't like, but I think I'm going to pass that along to a friend, so that's okay. I got the Too Faced Hangover RX, or the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. I've used that like once or twice, but I still need to really play around with it to see if I like it any better or if it really even does anything. Sometimes I have a hard time with setting sprays that way. Next was the Naked Cosmetics Mother Nature number 6. I did use that. I used that on Thanksgiving, and then I managed to lose about a quarter of it or half of it all over my floor, and then it was super hard to clean. But yeah, that was a really pretty color. I didn't exactly love the look I came out with, but I think that was just more me and how I applied it and the eye look I created, but that was a really nice pigmented product. Since it is loose pigment, I should have thought of this, so word of caution, I guess. Apply your face makeup after because you will get fallout even if you tap off your brush. Next thing was the Glamour Dolls and Lisa Frank Bitten and Bronzed Matte Bronzer. I used that like once or twice again. I thought it was fine, didn't blow my socks off, but I will continue to use it. The color is not exactly my preferred shade, but like I said, I'll continue to use it. It's a good product. Next thing was the Crown Brush C141 Small Chisel Brush. I used that once or twice, not my favorite chisel or contour brush. It's a little like dense and big for me, but it was nice. And then the last thing was the Tarte Deluxe Amazon Clay 12-Hour Blush in Feisty, another product I managed to drop, and a little chunk of it came off, but not too much. I absolutely love that blush shade. It's really, really pretty, very pigmented, but not too pigmented, which I appreciate. And the color was just nice and neutral. I find if you like exposed, on me that's more of a pink, honestly, and this was more of a neutral, more like peach base to it. So that's a little comparison. So yeah. Now let's get into this month. Here's the bag. I absolutely love the bag. I love the little mint and the silver. I think it's very appropriate for this season, so I really like that. The first product I'll talk about is one that was already out and about, so it doesn't fit. This is the Coconut, the Coffee Scrub. Yeah, I guess it's the original coffee scrub in the scent Coconut. Gotten quite a few of these. I don't know. It's not a product I like absolutely love or go through a lot, so it's kind of a little weird that I keep getting a lot of them, so maybe I'll try to change that in my settings somehow. But I'll give it a shot. I'll try it out. I'll see if this is good. It seems like it's loose again, which wasn't my favorite for a scrub, but I guess that's how these coffee scrubs are. So yeah, we'll see about that. Now opening the bag, here's the inside, a little mint, mint blue, I guess. It's more maybe like a blue than a mint, but anyway. Here's this beautiful, beautiful brush. I did already peek what was in my bag because my cousin was here. It has little gems here. So I do really like the look of this brush. I think it's really, really gorgeous. There are two little gems here. You can see that. And then the glitter here is rough. You can feel it. So yeah, it's a little, I guess it's a little cheap with those and then with that aspect of it. But it feels super soft, feels really nice, and at least from afar looks really nice. So yeah, this looks like a highlighter brush. I honestly don't even know let me look up the brand. So this is the SLMISSGLAM L36 Tapered Highlight Brush. I always could use another highlighting brush, so this is great. You could even use it for like a light contour or something. But yeah, this will be a great highlighter brush. It is kind of my preferred brush, kind of brush, I guess, for highlighting. So love that. The next thing is this MEECH and Mia, or Imishi and Mia M&M Shadows White, I guess, pigment. Yeah, it's the loose eyeshadow pigment in white, but it does look to be a little like reflective, so let me do a swatch. Yeah, it looks to be gold, have like a gold reflect to it. Ooh, that's absolutely gorgeous. That's right there. Ignore the other swatches on my hand. Yeah, that's really pretty. It definitely looks more like a topper. It doesn't look too opaque. But that looks absolutely gorgeous. A good you know, this would be good for this time of year and stuff, so love that. Okay, and the last two products, let's pull these out here. So second to last one is this NYX Professional Makeup Faux Blacks in Black Olive. I guess this is a line that they have, these like dark colors that are almost black. So there's that. To me, I don't really understand that because no one's going to be able to tell that that's green. So might as well just wear it black in my opinion. If you wanted a little softer black, then yeah, I guess you could use it for that sense. But it's so almost black that it's kind of weird to me. Unless you use this and then you really want like a green. You could use this as a base, but you still wanted it dark. I don't know, but it is a really creamy eyeliner, so I'm not going to complain, I guess, that I have it, but it is just a strange concept for me. And then the next thing was really exciting. This is the MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. I don't believe I've tried this one specifically, but I have tried other ones. My cousin pointed out that this is really quite a cute bottle or container. I do really like that. So yeah, I love that we're getting MAC in these bags. I think that's really cool. You know, you got MAC and NYX, two well-known brands, one high-end and one drugstore, and then Love the Brush, a great little Pigment. Those two brands I haven't heard before, and then this one I haven't heard before, but I'll be interested to try it. So yeah, and then I love the bag, like I said, little Ipsy tag there. So overall, I think it was a really good month for Ipsy, and I also really enjoyed last month. Now let's get into Sephora Play. Okay, so in November we got the Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir Mascara, which is perfect because I actually am wearing that today. I do really like it. I did have a little smudging. You could probably see now it's looking a little worse for it because I did put this on at about 6 a.m. this morning and now it's 4 p.m. But I do really like it. Here, let me take my glasses off so you can see. I did have permed my lashes, so that's why they're so curled. So yeah, hopefully you can see that, but I do really like it just besides that little bit of smudging, which I do have an issue with. But yeah, it was my first time trying it today, and so far so good. The next was the Sephora Collection Ultra Shine Lip Gel in Perfect Nude. I didn't wear that yet. I don't wear nudes that much and glosses that much, so, but I do want to try that. Because I don't normally like Sephora Collection products. I do normally like them, so I'll be interested to try it. Next was the Origins Clear and Improving Active Charcoal Mask to clear impurities, I believe it was. Honestly, this time of year, my skin is really dry, so those are the masks I've been using, but I'll get to them at some point. The next was the Perfume MD, what is this? H2 Elemental Energy Cloud Cream. Actually haven't used that yet. I really should. Sorry about that. The next was the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Again, sorry I had that out to use and I didn't use that. Gosh, I was good with my Ipsy, but not with my Sephora Play. And then the last was the Burberry My Burberry Blush. I actually believe I'm wearing that today as well. I do really like that perfume. It's kind of a unique, different perfume for me, so I really do like that. I'd like to get either a full size or some bigger size if it's a rollerball or whatever. I'm interested in getting that. Now onto this month. Here is the little card for this month. It's actually really cool. It has a bunch of different things on there. So yeah, it has all kind of different months and I don't know, little different things, but got my play card. And then, ooh, this looks lovely. This looks more like one of their bags for their, the $20 one that they have, the luxury one, but this is, it says Glam Straight. Oh, I love that. Love that, like instead of like Damn Straight. I love that. I absolutely love this kind of light gold. That's really pretty. I kind of want a highlighter in that exact color. So companies, if that exists, please let me know, or if you guys know one, please let me know, because that I would love as a highlighter. For me, that would be a perfect gold highlighter. So the first thing I see in here is the Triple Sec DRYBAR 3-in-1 DRYBAR. I believe this is a dry shampoo, I believe. Quote me, don't quote me on that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Trying to mix don't quote me on that and correct me if I'm wrong. I mixed those two sayings there for a hot second. Do that all the time. But anyway, yeah, I do believe this is their dry shampoo, which I did already get. It smells amazing. Let me just make sure that that is their dry shampoo. Okay, actually that is not their dry shampoo, at least that I've tried. So this is just the Triple Sec, the 3-in-1. It's supposed to texturize, amplifies, and refresh. So I guess refresh, you could use it that way. It smells really great. It smells like a fragrance, actually. So yeah, I'd be interested to try this. I did already use up my, I think it's called the Detox Dry Shampoo from them. And I don't know, I love the scent of that, and it did work really well, but it did leave that white cast. And I don't have like the darkest hair, so that's kind of unfortunate. But I'll be interested to try that and give that one a shot. The next thing in here, ooh, I love the feel of this. This is the Power of Tiger Grass Derma Green Solutions. Oh, it's the Dr. JART Tiger Grass Cream. It's pretty cool. I love the packaging. Like I said, even the feel of the packaging is nice. So it says, after using toner and serum, apply moderate amount onto sensitized skin. Press cream into skin with warmth of hands to allow for maximum absorption. So yeah, it's just for sensitized skin. I don't necessarily know what that means. Does that mean for sensitive skin? Wow, guys, it is really snowing out there now. Yeah, it has herbs. Reduce or relieve redness due to dryness. Oh, okay, that is actually perfect for this time of year, and I am the ideal candidate for that. So I'm really intrigued and interested to try that. The perfume in here is the Atelier Cologne Clémentine California. We've gotten so many of the Atelier colognes in here, so I don't really know what that's about, but I do like them, so I'll give that one a shot. The next thing in here is the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. Oh, I've never heard of this one before or tested it out, so let's test it out right now. To be honest with you though, I have really high standards with my Physicians Formula Eye Booster pen, I think is what it's called, especially because that is drugstore. So I didn't shake it. It has a pretty flexible tip here, which could be good or bad. And then I did build it up a little bit. It's the one right here. And that does seem to be pretty black, but like I said, I did build it up. But I'll keep an open mind. Hopefully it'll be good for my watery eyes. So we'll see about that. Okay, 2 more products left. Here we have the Smashbox Cover Shot Shadow Duo in Golden Hour. It's an eyeshadow duo. This is super cute, this little mini here. Woo, it even has a mirror. That's really nice, but I won't blind you. So there are those 2 colors. Oh my god, those feel so buttery soft. Wow, I was not expecting that. I have really wanted to try these. So this is really exciting. There are 2 colors right there. Wow, I've been eyeing like 1 or 2 of the palettes, the Cover Shot eyeshadow palettes. They have like, I don't know, 10 shades in them, but they're smaller. I've been eyeing 1 or 2 of those, and now I might need to pick it up after swatching these. Wow, I haven't even worn these on my lids yet, but I'm super, super pumped. Those are really nice colors too. And then the last thing in here is the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Matte in M401. So here's the packaging there. And then it looks to be just a matte lipstick. Ooh, and this dark red color. Okay. I think I've gotten other red colors here, but that's really pretty. Actually, it looks more like cool raspberry, and then on the swatch it looks more bright, kind of straight down the middle with warm and cool. But it feels really nice going on. It actually doesn't look too matte. It looks like it has a little shine to it, which would be nice for comfortability, is that a word? On the lips. So I guess for comfort on the lips. So yeah, absolutely love the outer packaging. I'm pretty excited about a couple of products in there and the ones in Ipsy, so I think it would definitely be a tie this month. So yeah, if these are great gift ideas, by the way, like I absolutely highly recommend them for gifts. It's the gift that would keep giving, and they're only $10 a month, so you could even gift it for like 6 months or something, or however long, 3 months, or maybe just a month. You know, it's really up to you. But anyway, hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.